ngize nendaba abejethe ingane zakwethu ubaba uNxumalala ushumayela ivangeli le-unity lokuthi asihlangane nezabantu abamnyama sibuye isizwe lethu. Ngane zakwethu ngifisa nje nivule imiqondo nikuqonde lokhu ukuthi kupolitiki kusetshenzwa kanjani. Kupolitiki amaqembu epolitiki ayafandwa okanye anikwe izimali. Uma ngabe iqembu linikwa imali kumele lenzeke manje lento eshiwa yilo muntu osuke ekhipha imali. And abantu abasuke bekhipha imali abacindezeli okanye abantu abasicindezele thina as Africans. So labo bantu abasuke besicindezele uma bekhipha imali yabo angeke kwenzeke intando yeqembu lakho le eyayisho ku manifesto, kodwa kuzokwenzeka intando yalabantu abakhipha imali. So ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi bazongiphikisa, but lokho kuyiqiniso. Uma uzobukisisa njengamanje ubaba uNxumalala ushumayela ivangeli elihlukile kunelama amaqembu uthi asihlangane as black people under one umbrella sibuyise izwe lethu. Njengamanje MK inonyaka ikhona, kodwa uyabona ukuthi abantu abathanda iMK bangakanani. And uma ubukisisa kahle kunamaqembu sekunesikhathi ekhona angakwazanga ukuthi akushoyo ngemlomo yawo ebese kuyenzeka. iMK uma enganikwa ithuba njengoba esho ubaba uNxumalala ukuthi asihlanganeni sonke under umbrella yodwa sibuye isizwe lethu, emva kwalokho bese uyabuyela eqenjini lakho. But kunabantu abakuzondayo lokho. Buka, just look around you ubone ukuthi nginamanga yini. Kunabantu abakuzondayo lokho, kodwa labo bantu bathi bona nabo ba ama revolutionaries, but they are against that. Abanye bathi ba ama pan-Africanists, but they are against i-pan-Africanism. Njengamanje uma ubukisisa kahle uzobona ukuthi abantu abaningi abalwisa iMK yilabo abantu akade bethi kini bamele nina. And uma uthi uyabuka kwipolitiki yala eAfrika baphikisana nokuthilo okwenzeka la eAfrika, kodwa bathi bona bangama pan-Africanists. So kancane amaqiniso ayavela, but abantu because bathanda ipolitiki ukudlula iCountry, I mean bathanda iqembu labo lepolitiki ukudlula iCountry, they are blinded. So thina ku-MK kuthiwe sicela abantu ukuthi abavoteli iMK abasondele kuMK silungise indaba yokuthi kutholakala u230 kuze kulunge zonke lezi zinto bazobe bekhona nabo. Hayi ukuthi uma uvoteli iMK kuzobe sekuba iMK ongqoshishilisi kuzobe kubanjiswene, but they don't want lokho kubambisana okuzobuyisa izwe lakho wena. And they are telling you izinto okungezona, and now you echo that because you can't see beyond what they are saying. You can't see even what we are saying as MK party members. So bafethu thina ku-MK kuthiwa asingalwisa abantu, asingakhuluma izinto ezinegative ngabanye abantu. Kubhlungu ke ngoba uma uzobona there is a trend that is trending right now. Kunomholi weqembu okhulume kabi okanye okhulume into esingayi-expectanga kuye ngamaqembu athile eAfrika njengoBurkina Faso, Mali. Wathi mayekhuluma ngawo kwase kuba ne-backlash. Manje use-unleash abantu bakhe ukuthi ba-attack ubaba uNxumalala ukuzogqiba leyato. So there is that trend. And kunama 2000 la esinawo angazilutho ngobaba uNxumalala. There is a kid ona 16 years ozobe evota ona 17 years ozobe vota next year for the first time kuma local government elections. Kukhona ona 16 ozobe vota probably ngo2029 akazilutho ngobaba uNxumalala. So uma ngabe kukhona abantu njengalabo engikhuluma ngabo bama red berets abazokhuluma izinto abazishoyo njengoba esho uSinawo Thambo ngobaba uNxumalala ukuthi kwenzakalani kuGaddafi, okuyinto ngelona iqiniso, ngoba abantu abadala bayazi ubaba uNxumalala ukuthi wayengayisupport kangakanani indaba yokuthi kubulawe uMuammar Gaddafi okanye kuhlaselwe iLibya, but kwenzeka ngoba iNATO okanye iWest inamandla. But it happened. But abantu abafana noThambo, they will come here kuma socials and lie to the people because they are being sent to fight against black unity kumele sihlale sihlakazekile. Abantu ke bama red beret bazothi ubaba uNcamalala angeke bamsupport ngoba wabulala uMuammar Gaddafi. Basho zonke lezi zinto lezi. Why? Because their leaders are saying so. But we know ukuthi uMuammar Gaddafi wabulawa eWest and no one had ipower yokustoppa that. Ngisho bangathi bazobulala ubani namhlanje abantu beWest, akekho umuntu ozoba nepower yokustoppa lokho. But they will come here still and lie, and abantu ababalandelayo, because bona they listen to their leaders. They don't have imqondo yabo independent. They listen to their leaders. So nabo they will echo that. But it's not true. It's propaganda. Ubaba Ncamalala has never supported what happened in Libya. In fact, he was against it. I remember once ukuthi kwaze kwathi besendizeni beyolungisa indaba yaseLibya, iNATO yayijikisa indiza. But abantu abafana noSinawo Thambo, they have a nerve yokuthi beze ku-public platform and lie about ubaba Ncamalala. Because why? There is this narrative that they must push so that kuzoba khona uqhekeko phakathi kwabantu abamnyama. Abantu be-EFF bagenge against abantu belokhuzana be-MK. Or the whole South Africa black people must gang against ubaba Ncamalala okanye MK. So thina as ama-MK members, guys, let's preach unity, because that's what we are sent. Ukube kuyangami yabona nje iganga zethu la emalokishini okanye kuma villages endaweni esiphuma kuzo ziningi izinto ezidinga ukulungiswa. Like emalokishini kuyadinga uklina iganga nala emgwaqeni, ukuklina kuningi esingakwenza. Sihlangane thina sodwa ezabantu abamnyama abahlala emalokishini, siqeda ukufelwa izingane njengamanje kuthiwa zibulawa ukudla okuthengwa ko my friend, kodwa asikwazi ukuhlangana. Nami ngiyi-EFF ngifuna ukukhombisa ilaka lami ngedwa, nowe MK ufuna ukwenza yini ehlula ukuthi sihlangane sine common problem thina as black people, because whites bayakwazi ukuhlangana kunenkinga ebaphethe bonke bahlangane belokhu bengewona amaqembu awodwa. Thina abantu abamnyama yini sihlulayo? Kungani sivumela thina ukuthi sihlukaniswe phakathi? Yini esenza ukuthi thina sibe so weak sodwa? Yini esiwe achieve thina kuyithi esicindezelekile but thina singakwazi sonke futhi ukuthi sihlangane? Yini edala lokho nganza kwethu? So mina bafethu, njengoba ubaba Ncamalala preach unity, noma ngabe umzonda kangakanani ubaba Ncamalala, but upreach ukuthi asihlangane. Ake sihlanganeni emalokishini lapha phansi, sikline indawo zethu. Nathi indawo zethu sifane nendawo zasemadolobheni, sizenzeleni, sisizaneni emalokishini. Ukuthi uyi-EFF, uyi-MK, uyi-IFP, uyini, akuphele asizaneni. Asibahluleni kulento abazama ukuyenza usihlukanisa thina. Asikuyeke lokho ukuthi uzovota naliphi iqembu, ukuvotela iqembu lakho kulungileke. Ake ngikuvume lokho. Kodwa ake sihlanganeni lapha. Kukhona into ezophuma lapha ekuhlanganeni kwethu. Uma ungiphikisa, anihlangane endaweni ohleli kuyo. Ubone ukuthi akuzukuba yini nama attacks. Awubone ukuthi abaholi bakho abezukuzani bezoyihliphiza leyo nto ukuthi nina niyahlangana phansi nilungisa i-country yenu lapha phansi, ukuthi izinto ezingahambi kahle niyilungisele nina. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi uma ngabe uthi wena iqembu lakho abaphathi bakho beqembu lakho bawonqo, anihlangane lapho nabantu abangelona iqembu lakho, nikline, nenzeni yonke into, nisiza abantu, nenzeni ubone ukuthi abaholi bakho abazuvela nobala ukuthi bona they are against black unity. Lilokho bafethu engifuna ukuzokucela. Ngibonga ithuba.